Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Join me today as we get stuff done. On my Aprons on pad today, click on my link below. It'll take you to my website if you're interested in this pad. I've already gotten ready for the day, did some things for work because today is one of my work days. If you would like to see how I am scheduling my time, check on a video that I just posted like a couple of weeks ago about getting my life together with ADHD. I'm giving myself like 4 hours. I want to get all that I want to get done today, and that way I'm focused on the family tonight. What I want to concentrate on today is separating the laundry, cleaning out the fridges, tidying the desk, tidying the family room, tidying the bedroom, vacuum, sweep and mop, and wipe down the bathroom. On the menu tonight, we're having tuna pot pie and salad. I need to pick up Shaylee in just a little bit. She's at a school event. I homeschool my daughter, but today is one of the days where she is doing school out of the home, and she loves it. So, and tomorrow she'll be in the home for homeschool. And then I just have to make sure the kids get to and from their church activity tonight. So much to do, so let's hit it. All right, it is noon, and I want to get the refrigerators cleaned out first. So I'm gonna use the help of my planner to track what I got going on in my fridge. But look, you guys, I kept my planner open too close to my kitchen sink and it got a little water damage. But that's okay, that's all right, because the cover's not ruined at all. That's how great our covers are. If you like to see the She's in Her Apron planner, just click on the link below. I can't even believe, like, we're almost like halfway through February and I have not, like, fully meal planned. I have in my head, but we got to take inventory of everything that's going on here. I have breakfast for the week done. Have you guys seen my make ahead breakfast video? I've got that taken care of. So, and it's been so great. The kids have been loving it. And then I'm going to put what we need to use up from in the fridge that needs to get used up pronto. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? I wish this refrigerator was deeper. I really do. It's very hard to figure out placement and things. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a funny reel about pronouncing Worcestershire sauce. I grew up in Worcester, Massachusetts, so I know how to say Worcester, so it's funny. It's funny hearing how everyone says Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna put in my meal plan this chicken. My son works at a restaurant and he brought home some chicken and they let him bring it home. And I was like, sweet, this stuff is so good. So tomorrow I'm definitely gonna make this chicken, and it's seasoned like with Mexican flavors. So I'm definitely going to make something with this for tomorrow. Yum. Yep, she's got to eat this cottage cheese. My daughter, she loves cottage cheese and she'll have it with fruit. So this needs to get used up pronto. So it got hidden on the shelf. So I'm gonna move this up. I'm gonna write that in the planner and she's gonna have that with fruit. So what I do here is I put a diagonal mark, and when I use it, I just do a diagonal the opposite way, and that's how I know when it gets used, like 1 out of the 2 sour creams are used, or 1 of the 2 celeries are used, and that's how I track everything. That's how I track everything. So on my menu plan, I am going to put Mississippi chicken or Mississippi pot roast. I can do both. I have chicken and beef in there. So MISSISSIPPI. I have half of a head of lettuce that's still good and some Mexican cheese. I'm going to make tacos, or in my deep freezer I have rolls that I can turn into scones and we can have Navajo tacos. So that is going on the menu plan. That'll be a yummy meal for the weekend. Quick, easy, the kids are home, yum. So once I'm done going through everything, and then putting it in the planner, putting the recipes that I can make with it, then I'm going to wipe it all down. Okay, I cleared everything out. Now I just need to wipe it down. And then we can organize it and go from there. I don't fit in here. Do I? I do! Okay. All right. I found these at Costco this week. They were 20-something for 4 pieces. They're supposed to keep your produce longer and fresh. Air vent flow. You could wash right in them and it drains. So let's open this up and let's see if I could keep some of the produce in this main fridge to last longer. We're gonna test these out. I don't know, they could be worthless. I feel like I need to put a paper towel in them, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna test them out. I have lettuce here, celery, peppers, and some onions, but we'll see. I have other veggies in the other fridge from my Costco haul, and I'll deal with those later, but this is a good start. So I'm done. I'm done. And it feels good. Feels really, really good. I really would like to do the other fridge, but I'm gonna save it for tomorrow, and then I can move some more things in here. So right now I'm just gonna finish cleaning up the little mess I made in here. I'm gonna start on dinner in just a few minutes. I wanna get a couple of more things done out here. Then we'll start dinner. That way the kids can eat before they go to their church activity. Yes, so, all right, let's keep pushing on. So these are my work bags. One is permanently at the desk and one I take to the couch with me or my bedroom when I'm mapping out things and working for She's at Her Apron. So I am just going to put this stuff away. I have bills right here I need to put in the bill bag. And all this is work stuff that needs to get put away, and same as there. So I'm gonna get the desk all cleared off, put into my work bags. I'm gonna get it done so that way tomorrow it's a brand new day and I'm ready to get to work. These are all stacked horizontal, vertical, because they're all a different project. So I'm gonna leave those right there. If you have a desk at your home or if you work from home, what systems do you have in place to help keep the clutter at bay for you? There's my bags under the desk with all the wires. On top of my stickers for my planner, and that's where they stay. And I'm loving this because they can, all my papers and ideas and thoughts and recipes all can go in the bags, and then keep the desk uncluttered. So far, so good with this method. All right, I'm gonna straighten up this room. Just put the pillows back, the dog toys back, and just pick up. So now I'm going to sort through the laundry. Shaylee's been learning how to do hers. Shaylee's my youngest child, she's 11. And my teenage boys do their laundry, but I think the last few loads my son has not been bringing his laundry up. So I'm gonna sort through from Derek and I's clothes, Shaylee's clothes, and Boston's clothes, put them in their baskets, and then they can put them away. I started folding, and then I was like, yeah, no. You could do that. Fold and put away in your drawers and hang up. I am not doing that. Those days are gone. Okay, it is now 5 o'clock and I want to get dinner in the oven. I wanted to get it in earlier, but this fridge took longer than I thought. So I'm going to throw dinner in the oven and then hit my bedroom and pick up a few spots, hang up some clothes, and then we'll come out and eat and do the night routine. We're gonna make tuna pot pie. I have a full video on how to make this recipe. It is linked below. It is so good. It's like chicken pot pie with tuna. It sounds weird, but trust me, it's amazing. And I've loved hearing back from you guys that you've made it and you guys love it now, so that's exciting. So I have my oven preheated to 420 degrees and I'm gonna start the mixture, eggs and the potatoes, and get this all combined together and put it in the pie shells and in the oven it goes. the dishes left over from last night are done. Dishwasher's running. Counter is nice and clear. So while the pies are cooling and the kids are gone for an hour, I'm gonna put my laundry that was away from that pile, Derek and I's, and put it away. This just got a little bananas the last couple of days, so I'm just gonna take care of this and hang up our stuff, and the laundry portion is done. Well, friends, I think I got everything on my to-do list done. Let's double check. So, I had more water today. Bam. Tuna fish pie. Yes. Salad. Yes. Picked up Shaylee. Kids did their church. I separated the laundry. I cleaned out one of the fridges. I tidied the desk. Tidied the family room. Tidied the bedroom. Mostly just tidied the closet, because that was all that really needed to be done. And then I did vacuum the main area of the home. Sweep and mop, no, but I did wipe down the bathroom, and bam! I did my work this morning. Got a lot of stuff done for She's in Her Apron, and then all of my to-dos get it done for today after, yes, except for sweep and mop, but who cares? I conquered that list. Oof, feels good. All right, so the kids are about to come walking through the door. We're going to eat, spend time as family, and then I'm going to bed. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me today, and I want to know, what are you going to work on today? If you haven't already, click on the video down below about being a work-at-home mom with ADHD. I give a few tips on there. It's tough. Time management is tough. I would love to know what helps you keep things on track. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye.